Now, in order to manage the scheduled delivery, suppose if I am not delivering my products on all the working days, if I am doing the delivery on alternative days, let's say Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So how I can manage that is, I will just go to the courier management. Here you can see scheduled delivery. Just click over there. Now once you come on this page, right now it is disabled, so scheduled delivery option is not there. But once I click on this checkbox, here you can see it will ask me for day, time, from time and to time, and the save button. Right now there are no records, but see, if I am adding the time day as Monday and I am keeping the time as, suppose let's say 10 a.m., we'll start the delivery and it will be till 6 p.m. and I'll just save it. So here the day and time have been saved. Now same way, if I am doing it for Wednesday, I'll again choose the timing, but on Wednesday I am doing the delivery between 11 to 5 only, 5 p.m. so I can mention it over here. Same way, if I am doing the delivery on Friday also, so Friday I'll start from 9 a.m. and I'll end it off at round about 4 p.m. and save it. So here we have added the schedules on accordingly when and at what time we will be delivering. Now let's see how the customer will see this changes on the website. So right now I'm going to my website. Here I am already on my checkout page. I have chosen the products which I want to buy, and now I am placing the order. So I'll just confirm and continue it from here. Here you can see the scheduled delivery module has been set up. Now the customer can select from here. Suppose today is Wednesday. Okay, so here the customer can select the time slot, but the time slot is already gone. So what we will do is, suppose if I select for 11 September, which is Friday, you can see the time slot which we have added. Same way, if we do it for Saturday and we have not added any of the time slot for Saturday, so it will give the message to the customer that the no time slot is available for the selected date. That means the customer has to choose any other date. Suppose if he chooses Monday, so again the time slot which we have added for Monday will be seen to the customer, and he can order the product in between that timing only, and the product will be delivered to him in that time only. So this was the way how we can add the scheduled delivery option. If you want to disable it from here, just click on this checkbox and check onto your website. The scheduled delivery module will be removed.